One of our favourite foodie spots in Sydney is the fantastic Kensington Street in Chippendale. We're back to visit our friends at Mekong, who've been awarded Best Asian Restaurant in New South Wales. I grab a cheeky cocktail at the bar and head over to meet Chef at the table, where he shares with me his inspiration for his summer menu.
My summer menu is I have inspiration after I traveling along the Mekong River, Burma, Vietnam, Thai, Cambodian, and I eat a lot of the food in there and try to pick some good ingredients to combine all the country.
Saffron, chili, curry, coconut, all those flavours are there in a mosaic of dishes representing all those distinct Indochine cultures.
I try to make every dish with my love. Love with my country, love with my cuisine, my career, everything is perfectly love, believe me. The food is not come from this, come from here.
And that love sure came through in every spoonful. We'll definitely be back to sample more of Mekong's award-winning creations. Take your own trip down the Mekong at Level 2, 14 Kensington Street, Chippendale.